Hi everyone, my name is Rousen, and I am going to show you my routine.
Wake up, Rousen, it's college time.
Yes, Mom, I wake up thanks.
So, what is x times 5 is equal to 30? Me teacher, it's 6. Correct. So, students, you will have an exam tomorrow, so study well. So, after college I am going to sleep, then I am going to study for my math exam. So, x times 4 is equal to 12, it's 3 times 4 is equal to 12.
Great job, Rousen. Are you studying for the exam?
Yes, Mom, I am studying for the exam. Miss Refan say that tomorrow we will have an exam. Do you want something?
Yes, dear. Change your clothes and then come down to eat breakfast.
Okay, Mom. So, we finished part 1 of my daily routine, so wait till see part 2. Thank you, bye, love you.